Hi guys, welcome back. Before we get to me announcing the Happy Mail winner, I received some Happy Mail from Valerie. And as you know, she was January's Happy Mail winner. So she has sent me a big box full of goodies. I haven't opened it yet. I just cut the plastic. I haven't seen it yet. I'm kind of really excited. Okay, so let's go through it, okay? I better just move the box. Look at this. It's full. That's full. Okay, I'm just going to set it off the side and pull out everything one piece at a time. Okay, you guys don't know this, but and neither did Valerie, but Faith is my daughter's middle name. So how cool is that? That's her middle name. I love baseball hats. So this is really cool. I'm going to have to hide this because my daughter is going to want it and my husband may want it. So I'm going to have to hide this from the whole family.
Okay, what's next? Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, I love this little heart. For Valentine's Day, thank you. And some chocolate. I love dark chocolate. It smells good. Thank you.
Oh, special treat for me. Mm-mm-mm. Oh my goodness. This may take a minute. I did not anticipate this. Oh goodness. Look at how this is like a vellum, guys. I don't think, see, I've been on the lookout for vellum like this because my vellum is not soft like this. It's kind of rough. I need soft vellum. I need soft vellum. Okay, I'm gonna put that over there. Oh, look at this. It's like it goes with the Happy Valentine's Day theme. The colors are almost the same. I love this. Journal on the back. I love this. Okay. Oh gosh, I gotta be faster. I'm sorry. Gotta be a little bit faster. We'll never get to the winner. Okay. So I'm just gonna pull him out and look at him. So, oh, I already know what to do with that. Already got a project in mind. This is a little plaque right here. I actually have something to be able to, some chalk to write on that with. So I'm kind of excited about that one. Oh goodness, look at this. Isn't that adorable? Oh, let me put it right here on the chalkboard. Adhesive glitter shapes. I don't know how to use those. Oh goodness, I don't want to take things too long here. Okay, these are die cut shapes. Look right there. There's a whole bunch of them. Okay. Oh, I got this upside down. Sorry. Oh, I love this. Look at this little pad. This little journaling pad. When I make myself a journal, these are the kind of items that are going straight into my journal. This is really cute. Rub on transfers. I don't have anything like this, so I don't know how to use this. There's like a stick. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to read how to apply those. I don't have anything like that. Oh, look at this. Isn't that so pretty? What is this? I don't know. I'm afraid to take it out. Okay, so I'm gonna have to take the pin off. I have to take the pin off. It's on the side. Wrong side. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of my grandmother's jewelry. She used to have a pin like this. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so I love how she wrapped this, guys. I love this. So I'm gonna try not to mess it up. Oh my goodness. Oh my, look at that. Is that not pretty, guys? I love this. Oh, I can wrap a journal in this. I could. I could wrap a journal in that. Okay, I'm gonna hold that back up. Oh my gosh, it never ends, guys. It's still, hopefully you guys can see it. Hopefully that's not been in the way the whole time. I didn't even notice. I'm gonna stand up now. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Okay, I don't know quite what's happening. It's taped to it, and I don't want to rip it. This is actually how I unwrap Christmas presents too, guys. Same way, it takes me forever to unwrap a present. Oh, isn't that beautiful? I'm going to have my husband actually put this on the wall right next to my desk. And when I do, I'll take a picture so you can see it. This is beautiful. I love this. I'm going to put this up right here. She has sent me all kinds of goodies. Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness. I love that. I love the winter scene. Oh, yeah, this is, oh, look at that. I love these. Okay, movie trivia. I'm not going to go through the movie trivia, but I am going to set that off to the side because I'm going to read that one right in a minute. Oh, I love that. It's so funny, you guys, because Sunshine was my nickname when I was a kid. Um, Probably because of my blonde hair, but there was other reasons too. But Sunshine, yeah, was one of my nicknames whenever I was out on the road with my dad. So let me open this. Oh my gosh. I love this paper. What is this? Oh my gosh. Look how generous she is. Oh, look at this. It's a little angels. That's so cute. Let's sit over here. Oh, and oh my. Look at this. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, and is this for the table? Like a table runner? Yes, it's like a table runner. Can you guys see this? Oh, sorry if you can't see. Oh, it's beautiful, guys. I don't know if I can cut this up. Oh, it's beautiful, beautiful. Oh, love that. Love that. With 4 kids, I definitely believe that. Oh, and this beautiful sunflower fabric. Oh my goodness. I love sunflowers. I love sunflowers. Okay, I'm going to put this back so I dive into the box, guys. Wait, what's this little guy? Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Oh, he's going over there on my sewing desk. Look at this charm. It's like a little princess charm. Oh, look at these. Okay, I'm afraid I'm going to rip it. So I'm going to take it. I'm going to take this off. How did you get that on there? There we go. I'm going to take that off. That's beautiful. I'm going to sit it up here with all the other little gadgets. Oh, look at this. I love those. This is that. Yep. I'm definitely a grungy girl. So that's beautiful. It's like paper, but it's silky. It's really nice paper. It's really nice. These are my colors. I love these colors. Okay, we got something else to go through. Oh my goodness. Okay. I love this blue too. I love this blue. Oh, aren't these gorgeous? Wouldn't these look so cute on the front of a journal, guys? Oh, they would be so cute. I have 2 of them too to play with. It's beautiful. That's awesome. And little squares, little quilting squares. That's what I'm trying to say. Quilting squares. A little kit here, I think, with also some squares. It's so pretty. No way I'm cutting this up. This will have to go do something whole. I may just set it on my desk for my coffee to sit on. I may do that. Okay, look. Oh gosh. This is so beautiful. I don't know why, but this like is like an ocean, gives me ocean vibes. Does it give you guys ocean vibes? Yes, I love that. That is so beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay. It says you are strong. It's like oh, look at this. It's like a book full of quotes. I love that. Thank you very much for that. I'm going to use that. And then we have something called magic mesh. Ooh, I do not know what magic mesh is. That is so cool. I got to open it right now. I'm sorry. You're going to have to wait a minute. I want to see what this is. Sorry about the noise. We just take one out. What is this? Oh, it's kind of sticky a little bit. Kind of sticky. Is it supposed to be? Sticky on the back. So, yes. Can you guys see? Put it on my hand. Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness. I can think of already 1,000 things. And the first one's going on my jelly plate. I'm going to use a piece of this for my jelly plate. That'll make some very interesting patterns and designs. Thank you so much, Valerie. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, and that was all it's in the box, just making sure. Okay, so I'm going to put all this back and we will get to announcing our winner for February. All right, guys, it is time to hit the spinner to see who is our winner. Okay, here we go. All right, congratulations, Stacy Lynn. I already have your address on file, so I will get this packaged up and shipped off to you. Please join me next month, guys. I really got something exciting for March's Happy Mail, so join me then, okay? And continue to watch my videos. Thank you guys so much. Have a blessed day.